You can't win against me now. You only hold a little piece of each tailed beast's chakra, nor can you hope to stop this!
You ready yet?
Here it comes! Let's do this!
All right!
Finally decided to kill me, huh?
We've taken a lot of responsibilities upon our shoulders.
You're one of the ones I want to fight the most.
Huh? I actually do want to fight against you, and I want to win fair and square. Although, not against the current you. But you already know that, don't you, Sasuke? Hey.
Indra's arrow. Currently the most powerful jutsu in my arsenal. This fight with you right now will be my last. Just die! Just be gone already!